Friends, listen to this very carefully and understand it. If you have become such a person that you attack your phone as soon as you wake up in the morning, after using your phone for 2 to 4 hours, if you feel hungry, then you eat. And after eating food, you again start feeling lazy, so you go to sleep. And when you wake up, you again start scrolling reels. And if some attention-seeking influencer shows you something flashy on reels or TikTok, you can't stop, and your whole day is gone. Don't treat this like just another self-help clip. I'm not here to make a list of cliches. I'm someone your age who's been trapped in the same loop, and I found real ways out. Watch this whole video because these steps will solve the majority of what's holding you back. Point 1. The alarm you ignore. Have you ever noticed how after hours of scrolling, you feel empty and guilty like you wasted the day? That's not just boredom, it's a signal. We scroll, we binge, we chase the next hit of dopamine, likes, clips, notifications, thinking it will make the sadness go away. We chase happiness, but only get a short burst. When that buzz fades, the same emptiness returns, louder than before. That feeling isn't random. It's an alarm telling you you're not living right. The problem isn't that you want to feel good. The problem is how you try to feel good. Covering emptiness with another quick hit of content, junk food, or endless gaming is like putting a bandage over a wound without fixing it. That bandage looks fine for a while, but the wound is still there. We call this the dopamine treadmill. It's why the newest phone, the best to stream, or the trend doesn't change how you feel for long. That's why creators talk about dopamine detoxes, no phone mornings, and micro habits, because those are ways to break the loop. Point 2. Stop running from the hard stuff. When your life feels joyless, your instinct is to avoid the pain, so you reach for easy comfort. But running from discomfort only strengthens the habit. To get free, you must stop being afraid of feeling bad for a while. If you accept that short-term discomfort is part of growth, the craving loses its power. Think of it like a pressure cooker. The pressure is your unease. When you constantly release it by scrolling or zoning out, you never let the pressure do its job, which is to force change. Stop releasing the pressure with quick fixes. Cut out the things that let you escape automatically. Endless social feeds, binge watching to numb, compulsive shopping, late night doomscrolling. When you stop soothing the pain immediately, something else starts. A raw, uncomfortable drive to change. Point 3. The fire inside.
Want to master this? Watch the related video here.